Do you see that?
Yeah. Hey besties, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello, hi, my name is Jen, welcome. And if you're all but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate you guys so much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're doing with your life, but you need to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. In fact, I will give you a minute to subscribe, okay, because I don't know what you're doing with your life. Hello, subscribe. Have you done it? Thank you, I appreciate you. So besties, in today's video I am going to review a mascara, you know, the drama mascara from TikTok, from this lady.
Do you see that?
Yeah. Okay, I am going to review it for you guys and tell you guys if it's actually worth that. The drama, I think I got this mascara for £14.99, something like that. Anyways, we are talking about the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. I don't know why I'm struggling to say the name, but it's such a cute mascara. I don't know. Anyways, this mascara have two ways. You have the brush, you have the one that separates your lashes after you brush them, but for me I feel like they look the same, so I don't know, I just use it anyhow. Okay, so I'm going to test it out for you guys and we'll see if it's actually worth the hype and if it does lift your eyelashes like they say. I'm going to get real close and personal to you guys, so I'm gonna bring you guys close to me so you guys could see my lashes and all that stuff. By the way, I didn't even ask if you guys are okay. How rude of me, sorry. How you guys doing? I hope you're doing good. I love you guys. I just want to say that. So besties, I'm gonna bring you guys closer now. Okay besties, as you guys can see, I've done my makeup. Only thing I need to do is mascara. I haven't been doing my falsies, so I like my natural lashes. So these are my natural lashes. I don't know if it's even showing on the camera properly, but I'm gonna do this side and then we'll compare it. I don't know which one is the brush, which one is the one that separate things, which one that let's just do it. We just regular people, right? Regular people, we do regular things.
Take it away, take it away. Do it my way, do it my way, do it my way. Free from the pain, free from the pain, free from the pain. A night off.
So basically with this mascara, that is a first coat. This woman was saying that if you guys didn't watch the TikTok, you guys should. It was a whole thing that people are saying that she was wearing falsies. I don't know, but so I said let me try it maybe for you guys and see if it's good, because I don't know what it is. I've been just wearing my natural lashes out and I kind of love it to just do mascara only for the natural looky. Anyways, this is second coat. I'm gonna go ahead and fix this and come back. I'm not gonna go anywhere. I'm just gonna use another mascara to lift this whatever it is that I'm dealing with right now, because it's actually, I'm gonna go on with this slick mascara brush or whatever to lift it up. Try and separate it because I don't know.
I can't help that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes.
Okay besties, I did what I can. I just used the I hate this. I hate this. It does lift your lashes, but anyways, let's do this side. Okay besties, I have done applying my mascara. If I look down, it's because I'm looking at the mirror. This side I have to use the Sleek to fix it. This side is only Maybelline. What I mean to say is L'Oreal. Sorry, my head is far. I'm going to zoom in on both eyes for you guys to see, and then I'll tell you guys if it's actually worth buying. Okay, as you guys can see, this eye is Maybelline slash Sleek mascara, because I had to use the Sleek to help me fix the mess I was creating. But yeah, anyways, in regular basis, whenever I do my makeup, I like to mix my mascara so that way I can get the maximum results that I need. But yeah, this side, it's only L'Oreal, and it's good. It's good. So yeah, that is the mascara. This is, I'm going to tell you guys my thoughts on this mascara, and as you guys know, I am always honest with you guys. For £13.99, I think I got it for £14 basically, if I'm not wrong. I feel like it is £13.99. If you have the money to buy it, then go ahead, but I won't say it's a must-have. You can buy even Poundland mascara, use Primark mascara, mix it together, just like when you apply Poundland, and then go ahead, go on top with mascara from Primark. That's how I do. I wouldn't say it's worth £14 in my opinion. I just wanted to test it out for you guys and let you guys know if it's good. I feel like it's not going to do a crazy thing to your lashes. If your lashes are long, if your lashes are full, any mascara that you use is going to look full and long. It's going to look good. So it doesn't do much. Yeah, it doesn't do much. I wish I've tried different mascaras on my eyes, and then one eye just use L'Oreal for us to get the real gist. But yeah, it's not too bad, but I won't say it's a must-have. If you don't have it, you're gonna die. No. But yeah, that is it for this review besties. If you do like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know if you guys going to try this mascara. If you have already tried it, what are your thoughts? Do you like it? Do you not? And if you have any video suggestion, leave them on the comment section below. I will take a look at it, and if it's something that I can film, I will definitely do it for you guys. But yeah, thank you for watching. I love you guys so much. See you guys on my next video. But before you go, make sure you thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.